سلام و شدگی یکی دیگه چه من نوکین ویدیو هم یه دولا بگوشن که اصلا نوکین گیم پلی همه بعد کل انتظار بالاخره بلک اپس 6 ران بید تو انی هم لوتیم گو شما اولین پارت چه بخش داستانی که مشکوتا باز جالبه در مورد جنگ گلف پرشن گلف یا جنگ خلیج فارس. خلاصه من که سکه جان زده لوتن استارت بزنیم زیدتر چریم. چه خبریم باری؟ خب شما اگه من دولت بقول هیجان زده برین که یه ویدیو بچاریم. اگر هم تازه من ویدیو گندگی و من کانال کو آشنا بیگه میں کانال سبسکرائب کریں ویڈیو لائک کریں کمنٹ پہلے میں واسطہ یا کہ پیج ہم تین انسٹا ہمارا ہستے ہیں کہ ویدیو کی جدید یر بیں وہ دا ما یا کہ تری چما ویدیو یر کریں آیام فالو کنه داشته به یک ویدیو جدید یر کو صحیح به. خب برین دیگه یه لعبه هم استارت کنیم با هم دیگه. خب من روی هاردی کنم یکم که سختی رو اشتریم. خب ادان ولوم بده هم که
US Soviet nuclear missiles is eliminated. Means that the era of nuclear disarmament has begun.
We will stay the course and we will succeed.
بود
And there can be no doubt. Operation Desert Storm is working.
در مورد عملیات صحرا اینا میگه حال انجام لگات شیش خیلی خفن باید بی بازی.
Are you denying that?
We have discussed it
What
already.
more do you want, Livingston?
Enough! You disobeyed a
rad
direct
karenge.
order, Mr. Marshall, when it was clear your op was compromised.
With all due respect, sir, you weren't there.
And the group that compromised you, the Pantheon, you sure that's who they were?
That's what Alawi called them. When are you gonna tell us what's really going on here?
در مورد یه چیزی صحبت کنیم سری دستورات آیه مثل که RPG کتا.
Sir, if you read the report, you
I read your report, Ms. Harrow. Some of it I still find hard to believe.
این نوتی گزارش شد بکنم.
That's why we're going to go over events again. Only this time, I want to hear it from Marshall. From the beginning.
نوتی چه اول گزارش چه ما بقول واقعی که پیشت که چشیه.
We were in position near the Iraq-Kuwait border.
ما
Small
موقعیت
team,
بیتگیم.
me, Harrow, and Case.
تیم باوش باشه. جان کویت 1991 یہ اما قضیه
is ahead of schedule.
جنگ کویت ہے کہ
Whoever he's meeting won't wait around for long.
عراقی حملے کو کل چائے نفت
Not if it's a
منفجر کا
smuggler. I'm sure
Hey,
Lowry's paid
خفنه.
top dollar to get himself out of the Middle East.
Guess it doesn't really
لیکن من
matter.
ساکت میں لائیو گیم پلے
He's coming with us.
بیچارے
Outlaw
قشنگ
42 got
ترین
our eyes in the convoy. Fading the target over.
جان نبے گی ساکت پہ
Waiting on your go. Over.
Do it.
Outlaw 42, you're clear to engage.
اچھا لوٹیں کاروان میں سے کہ حملے بھی
Let's
کرنا
go get him.
Copy ground. Engaging it out. Here comes the traffic jam.
بے خیال برو یا بچہ وہ اچھی گیا تھا نہیں فکر نہیں میں نے وہ تو زمینی پر بالے
And remember, Livingston wants Alawi alive.
Noted. Para, straight to the exfil port.
Yes. Do not answer.
5 minutes.
Alawi is a minister of defense and close to Saddam. His guys will be well trained and heavily armed.
جون
Movement.
مارشال شنام كاين هرو
Target down.
هو يحكي عن بالله ما عندنا
Smoke.
Another one.
They'll know we're here soon. Be ready.
What's ahead? One down.
شو بيسته تمام
Alawi's in a black truck. Clear the road. Let's find him fast.
Copy. Black truck. Keep pushing up, Case. Find it out.
يا بير مو شي
Targets in the road.
I got
Yes,
eyes on
go
Alawi's
for that.
truck, middle of the road. Case, take the door. Open the door. We gotta move.
اوه شو خبر كنا كسرتوكا
I got it. Stay calm. We're not here to hurt you.
CIA? We had a deal.
Deal? Not with us. Where you headed?
Colorado, you lie. Your man was getting me
Man.
out.
जिसमें सीआईए मार्शल मो तो मामले को तो इतना अच्छा मामले
Pantheon.
Pantheon.
We need to leave. You won't stand a chance against them.
They haven't
Didn't
spotted us.
see.
Let's keep it that way. Come on.
Artukar bütçi verin.
Let me get this straight, Mr. Marshall. The group you claim to be the Pantheon was a multinational, heavily armed paramilitary force that showed up out of the blue. At this point, you're told to wait for backup, but you decide to play cowboy instead.
We had to act fast. Our window
Ms.
was
Harrow,
closing.
did he or did he not disobey your order?
Yes, sir, but the accelerated timetable
That's what I thought. I've come to expect this from you, but not from you.
Sir, our objective was to recover Alawi by any means necessary.
Oh, I'm aware. So, care to explain why he's on a slab in the morgue right now?
Things got complicated. Who are these people?
The Pantheon is composed of former European and US operatives. I don't know who leads them.
They're blocking our exfil. We call in reinforcements and wait.
Wait. The hell with that. Barrage coming. We're headed your way.
No, we're compromised. Alawi will slow us down.
Lau, you going with us to the Pantheon?
I'm going with you.
Damn it, Troy.
Smart man. Case, let's start by softening them up.
Hop çiğ. Okay. Alle. Ne diyeyim de? Ya. R2 oxygen ya. Nişi
Let's
araya
get to work,
kabul.
Case.
Hey. Isto tracchi? Ah. Чего будешь? Ты гири да то манаш сам.
These Pantheon boys can fight.
Keep moving to the rally point. South of the convoy.
Keep pushing to the RP.
بذل شيء هذا هو ده. هو ऐसी चीज़ें. कैसा खबरदारी. तुझको याद के. Late. Yopir.
That one is taking cover.
सेल जाने का हुआ. कुजे. وابتا في خياليا يا بلدا وين رده
Rally point through that canyon.
You could be leading us into an ambush.
It's the only way out.
كان شنو يطلع شوني انا من نظام فلان بمشي زيرك اللي فكره من اقوم او اللي كان
Barrage, we're getting close.
امبوش
Barrage, come in.
Are you
Bro,
sure you'll
bro.
be there?
You just worry about not slowing us down.
هذه كجا
We're open targets down
Alavi.
here. Pantheon could pick us apart.
तारीख की नहीं मार ले यार जूर यांगा कम के पूरो
Contact. Pantheon at the high ground.
कांटेक्ट शो यो पीर वो डैमेज देगा खुदा के लिए क्लियर
We're almost to the RPK.
ले
Keep pushing.
They're behind cover.
RPK incoming.
Behind the truck.
Clear.
पुश the truck push the
Why the hell did these guys want you so bad, Lowry?
Get me out of here and I will tell you everything I know.
मैंने उसी चीज़ दर के अंदर ना हर चीज़ ब्लूट में शोर पूछा
Barrage will meet us at the bottom.
जंप या जंप करें ए गिफ्टन थे
Think we're good.
ये मोशन ना जिंदगी
Everyone all right?
Is this your...
हॉप हॉप ए अदले रे
Stand down.
वही अदले रे चीज़ था रस्ता तो जाती
Wait till Woods gets a load of this. Goddamn Russell Adler, CIA traitor. He been on the run, what, 10 months?
Marshall, Woods' new project. You can ease up, son. I'm all done here.
का रिकॉर्ड अगर अदले रे भाई
Jane,
You just killed a high-value target in cold blood and put our
तो
national
या
security at risk.
या चीज़ हमा हाई वैल्यू यानी या कैसे एक बार रदे बाला तुझे
it's
कुछ
not me. I'm just the
हम
fuck
तो
guy.
ज़माने खोल
You
दुआ
expect
है
us to believe that?
जाएंगे साइड
Hey,
दा
Jane, you want to tape his mouth shut for me?
Yes.
Wait, I got a message for Woods.
Oh, yeah?
Tell him Bishop takes Rook.
The hell's that supposed to mean?
Time to go.
In the truck!
नहीं एक पैगाम उसी से मौजूद है सर मौजूद है मायने तक क्या खबर है
You got the launcher? We'll shoot him down.
यार लॉन्चर सर उसी बिजनी
There, on our
कुजें
six.
कुजें 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 कुजें
Take him out.
यार I'm चीज़ जा प्लेयर जा
We need to hit him with the rocket.
ओह ये ख्याल प्लेयर जाने के अल्ले
We're solid.
लॉन्चर भी है
Chase, I need you.
क्यों क्या के
Wait, Troy, look out.
मैं धीमा कब
No visible threats in the
But,
airspace. We're clear. Now to face the music on a Lowry.
Good luck with that.
Anything else to add?
Sir, despite breach of conduct and losing a Lowry, apprehending Russell
मैं हो
Adler
गया
is
नहीं
a categorical
दास्तान तारीफ
windfall.
करें कि
Yes,
चीज़
Ms.
से
Harrow. Bringing in a
गुजारिश
rogue
दे रहा हूँ
operative is certainly a win.
सच्ची ऐसी दस्तूरात हैं सर पीछे को तो मैं सही क्या नहीं
Mole who betrayed us in Panama. The
मजबूर
man
कुछ नहीं जवाब
responsible for
दे
your current condition, Mr. Woods. So why was he trying to tell you something in Kuwait? Bishop takes Rook. Any idea what that means?
वो देश नहीं वजह कार है
No clue.
Okay then. Based on Harrow's reluctant report and the withholding of critical information regarding Russell Adler, your team is suspended.
Are you for real? This is bullshit.
वो
As
टीम
for you, Ms.
ताली
Harrow,
कुछ
consider yourself on very, very thin ice.
People like me and Adler are the reason we ain't speaking Russian right now.
The Cold War is over.
Mr.
جنگ
Woods.
سرشی
That
تمام
makes
بیشه.
you and Russell Adler the last global gunslingers of a bygone era. Take this time to reflect on that. Dismissed. All of you.
ده وودز لنگه آقا.
I'd advise you not to pursue this further, Marshal.
Are you admiring your own work?
Can't believe you kept him.
Not all reminders need to be scars.
Why are we here, Harrow?
Because you know something?
بچه مایدان
tell me what it
شیشون
is
تو
you're
یه
up to?
چیزای زانه.
Me and the kids just need some time away. You know, take a little trip. Reflect a little.
Look, I can cover your asses on my end best I can.
من
But if
تو
things go
نمیشه طرف
sideways
پوشش بدن
again,
کاور کنم.
you're on your own.
Copy that.
Oh, you one.
One? Yeah. Try a dozen. Do me a favor, Troy. Don't get yourself killed.
لطف به من بکن
what
چوبات
I can
رو
do.
کشتم اومدن. چرمشی چی بی؟ Tropian
Bishop
Corinthian.
takes rook. Of course, Woods knew what it meant. Adler was pointing us somewhere. The Black Sea. According to Woods, 15 years ago, he and Adler discovered an abandoned KGB safe house in Bulgaria. It was called the Rook. Last year, before Adler disappeared, he'd been chasing rumors of a dangerous paramilitary group, one receiving orders from inside the CIA. He believed the Pantheon was developing a new type of weapon, with plans to undo something the world had never seen before. And wouldn't you know it, soon evidence surfaced incriminating Adler himself. And he fled to this place. What we found here over the last couple days has changed everything. Now I'm questioning what I believed about Adler, about Livingston, about the CIA itself.
Yala Adler michigan dar geçeceğim.
I have my doubts about going dark on Jane.
Ramzan lütfen
Woods might be right about her value on the inside, but she'll be in the crosshairs if Langley learns what we're up to. Adler brought us here for a reason, to stop the Pantheon before they strike. To do that, Woods believes we'll need him back. That won't be easy. But Adler left the name to follow. It's a good place to start.
چیزی تو حالا مرتبط با مومبیت مالا
No more wasting time. You know the plan.
Fuck. There you go.
Savati Dumas, the person you're gonna meet. Still no idea why Adler was in contact with her, but a lead's a lead.
We can't trust her. I doubt if
I need a monkey.
Hell, for all we know, she's part of this fucking Pantheon thing.
Open.
Who can we trust? Dumas agreed to meet Case in Avalon, so we're doing this.
Well. Look at you
She
putting
don't
your
know.
big boy pants on. Shouldn't we find Adler before making this call?
Well, that's exactly why I'm going to Munich to wine and dine your old friend.
Friend? Hardly. I can't stand the son of a bitch. But we need him. Sometimes you just gotta hold your nose.
If he's as good as you say he is, by the time Case gets back, we'll have located Adler.
If Livingston hasn't already stuffed him in a barrel.
Our details are up on the board, Case. I'm headed out, so hit me up soon if you need anything.
Detail cheat
I've got a
da.
few ideas on how we can polish this turd of a safe house case. Let's talk when you have a minute.
خب الان چه غلطی باید بکنی؟
All right. What kind of life savings you got?
Nothing I lived today. Tomorrow never greater.
Attaboy. Carpe fucking diem. Well, guess what? If we're really doing this, we've got...
چی شد؟ What did you have in mind?
This place might have been fine for Adler, but for a team, I'm thinking overhaul. An armory, place to train, gear bench, not to mention anything else we might end up needing. There's that won't be free though.
How much money do you have? How did you either find the place anyway?
We were following an old KGB trail and a single recording led us here. Seemed abandoned. When we asked our mole inside the KGB about it, he knew nothing. Belikov thought maybe it was some kind of splinter group, not sanctioned by the Central Committee.
बोले मेरे साथ कोई शख्सियत आने में कैफियत आवड़ पुरु बाला नहीं चीतों को पुरु बोस्टरा modern warfare say दोए शख्सियत आने से पुरु बेहतर कार पहलंग मां ये डोले गेंदे में शख्सियत आला दिए में शायद बेहतर
When you're on a mission, look around for any cash lying around. You're gonna Robin Hood your way through this. Steal from the rich and give to the poor. That's me.
Can we be sure Allah sure Adler was here alone?
Yeah, I don't think he wanted to get others involved. Looks like he was working on a trust list. As far as I could tell, he didn't contact anyone. That's probably why Adler was talking to Dumas, keeping it outside of Langley. We're gonna do the same. At least for the board behind me is how we'll track our spending. Give it a look.
छट पे तुम घुसते जल्दी कमा नेशन अब घुस मर रहे हैं start next mission. Here we go. Hold to launch mission. Let's go.
Adler didn't leave much intel on
Yeah, Adler random.
But I can tell you a thing or two about Avalon. It's a playground for the filthy rich. And crime factions run the whole city. Everyone's looking for who to push off the slide. When they pick a target, they hire someone like Savati. She used to be part of the Guild, one of the most powerful Avalon factions. But now she freelances. Savati said that Adler hired her to follow a Pantheon trail. So you're gonna join her on that job tonight. We want to see firsthand where that trail leads. Maybe we'll even add some muscle to the team. You'll scratch her back, but sure as hell watch your own. Trust is gotta be earned.
अंदर रोशन नहीं हम दास्तान है दिन बच्ची कने साथ नौ बच्चे सफेद रंगत
Hello, Case. Check under the phone booth.
phone booth चार्जर चेक कर okay Oh.
His name is Yannick, a broker for the Guild. He'll be on his yacht tonight taking a call with the Pantheon.
أنا مطمئن بالتام كيفية وما كار के रुए बोले शख्सियत अंजाम देता वश्तेर बित्ते मेरे वास्ते सारा हुआ तो खास नहीं Where do I find Yannick?
The hotel on that church offers an open view of Yannick's yacht.
Kiसी वो दिन
He's throwing a party while his men count money in the church.
Party money किसी के Where are you? Oh, thank you.
Yannick traffics in weapons, narcotics, women, whatever pays. Rumor has it the Pantheon wants a relationship with the Guild. So Yannick is testing the waters. It's only our first domino. The real fun starts after we knock him down and get access to the target I really want. Johannes Edi. Close enough to know if you screw this up.
The picture
made of Case. Get to the bell tower. I don't care how. Quiet, loud, just get there. Nice work. You could go for a swim, avoid some guards.
She to Pankara, to Pangi Gunti. There to Pang on over there. So to Pangar, welcome. Yeah. Nice. Let's go. خب ماذا فوت خب چه بی یعنی اینکه
Once we listen to Yannick's call and confirm a Pantheon,
بی خیالین چون منجا یکی هم ملد
declaring open season on the guild. They have it coming. I should know. I used to work for them. I never cared for Yannick's parties when I was with the guild.
صحیح بیت यार البته سورپرایز مدل برین صحیح بیت سورپرایز ویل کبیرم तो पाएंगे जदीद Buraya bak bro. Orada. Yeme dara açına bak bir senin bu diye drama ini.
Get inside that church case.
Vale. Bak bro burada fakana. Oh, ये तो ठीक नहीं तारीख की तो como ठीक निकल लाना क्या? जून सर तुर्की लग गई। खुदा मैच से नहीं गेंदे का हाँ जो तीर जाने का रहोगा। किशोर? Whoa! No, मर्द मैंने खशाब कोटी कहाँ है? Shotgun. Where are you? Yo पीर ये ख्याल कुजा है तो ये वैसे तो पाएंगे वो बोर्ड से इन्हें बता नहीं ये याना के चाहिए शायद يا ده ايش بخير غفلان باتكنا
Yannick's expecting a call from Pantheon any minute.
يا كيف ايه ايش ايوه وي يانغ زندگان सीधा पैदा है कि ना
Do it quick.
पाँच पे यार ايوه
This morning I stashed the rifle at the top of the tower. Remember, Case, don't pull the trigger until we hear his call. We need to confirm any connection to Pantheon.
ट्रिगर ये चीज़
Yannick's near the umbrella,
Big
upper deck
yaar.
left side, surrounded by girls.
याने कुछ वो दें तोड़ तो दो ही जने का खप याने कुछ
Got your advance.
where are you
It's all there.
here you are
Remember, this deal is one and done, huh? Don't need to get mixed up with the CIA or your Pantheon thing.
You'll send the hardware
What is it?
tonight, understand?
That's not what we agreed to.
Tonight, Yannick.
John सारी चक्की नहीं
So the Pantheon and the CIA are connected somehow.
आज गोश्त तमाना गोश्त मजे नहीं
Take the shot.
मजे नहीं हो सर पोका John
Woods was right. You are a good shot. Yannick was just our first domino. We have more work to do tonight. Head back towards the payphone. I'll pull up in the white van. Guards inbound. Word on Yannick got out.
کجا چه منی دیشه برسو اوه امر کجا رای امر تو پیر کجا تو اول تو پیر خیلی جانه که بچه یا خدایی برزد کن تو دیر مادر خشا باز کنه یار
Deal with the guards and get to the van.
işte birinci alam अले kaptı gani यार तू का बचा 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 जाते बता ब्रो ब्रो फिर जो पहले हम पता यार पे अंदर बेहतर है अरे तुपांग वाइल का यार का जाला यार hey hey Balouchi أنا بتكلم Balouchi
Chase, hurry. We don't want the police.
Van kujim
Aucun visuel.
इतना बच्चा
You're in the clear, Case.
और वे
Hey, turn it down. That's Gabriel up there. He's cool.
जानना चांबलान से तू क्या दस ले खाने
Chateau de la Haute Lune. 3 guild leaders will be in attendance to smooth things over with Pantheon. I want to get paid, so we're going to crash that party. Chateau de la Haute Lune. Let's go. The guild will lock the restaurant down and meet in a safe room on the 2nd floor. Door can only be unlocked from the inside. You're gonna help me get that door open. We're a few minutes out yet. Just enough time to get changed. There we are. Fits for guild security.
Oh, don't
Personally, I want these guild bastards dead.
يا فايدة كلن.
Pantheon's the icing on the cake for me. This is my stop. Get to the safe room's antechamber on the 2nd floor. An alarm will go off. That's okay. The guild doesn't know you, so your best option is to surrender and play along. When you get inside, wait for my cue.
Vale. مجاز كم اولا که اشیاء زیر دوم بابا ویلی کن دیگه دیکتا نی توی چیه ای جنگ بیتا ای و ای اشیاء رو تو ای عمر صغير سيف روم طاغي عمنا ده كده قبل شو او خب هاي زيرو افرين برندي तो वीडियो हम बस तुलानी मैं भी
The guild is meeting Pantheon right now. Get inside and find the safe room. Of all the guild assholes meeting tonight, Sadie is the biggest. If we can't get him, consider
Find
me
a
a
way
no
to
for
inside
your
the ride
little
اگه
problem.
بر داخل شی.
Wine was shit. Why'd I have an extra glass?
Demir. چاقو من بده.
We can drink after they're done meeting upstairs. Ah, come on, live a little. I'm going out for a smoke.
Don't be gone for long. They told us to stay here.
شو وشي تفاهم يقولون لي. اللي قبل من يتي شعر فعلا. إيه. هذا قبل. أيوة
The safe
أيوة.
room is towards the back of the restaurant, second floor.
Who are they meeting?
خب بریم چاره. एक गेम दें.
Case, get to the antechamber. Trip the alarm. I'll be ready.
يو. خلاص تمام. चलो गेंदा मने आई ना मगर आज में. Shimbanda किधर है? ए
Put your hands on the glass.
ना हमारे गुस्से असले होती है दौड़ दे. दस्ता होती है रुए शीशे वेका. गेप तेरे. ओ ना हमारे. हाँ गेप थी.
Don't move, Case.
Stay quiet. Play along.
हाँ वाना मूड करने एक मौसम गेप थी.
Wait for my signal.
दूरबीन तार रही चाह रही. मुंतजर मनी अलामत पे.
You CIA types are all the same. And this one, troublemaker.
What's going on in there?
We have a visitor. Walked right into the lion's den, alone.
Uninvited.
Maybe this one
بدون
works for a
दावत
driver.
शीते सरजमीन शीरात का आम पियो का.
He's trying to squeeze us.
We came to you, Sadie.
We learned the truth one way.
Oh, she dariga tiya try bala din.
Go ahead.
Oh no, what?
Well, look at that. You're a long way from home, Case. This man is extremely dangerous. Kill him immediately.
ये मर्सी सा खतरनाक है आराम से. John, बे असले बे मना. لو عمي عني تير بكوت. ايمو. تير بده من الطوفان بده يا. يو بير شدو أصلي كوا. Problem.
That it would save him.
They have guns!
Haha. There.
Seguin and his men won't make this easy. His Sadie pays $12 for meat shields.
तीर से डैमेज देगा. अल्ले बेख्याल जो डैमेज ही देगा. इनका मैं हार्ड दस रही है तो डैमेज. कौन करता ना वश यार.
Sadie pays $12 for meat shields. Idiot! Stay away, please! We're losing a Sadie! Some of these bastards are packing body armor.
کجا آیی تو؟ بگیر نارنجک بگیر کجاییه؟
Poke your head out, Sigir. I got something for you. I like my chances.
یا پیر هیچ نہیں لگے منہ تو بورڈ پا آئے گا تیر باره گم بیت بازی گنده مادانی برین یار برین شد अरे शाद का मिली गो वाश
Where is the Sadie? Check the street. Limo's coming down the street. Shoot!
हाहा गुजर रहे I move
Ready.
Why not going?
You more than kept your end in the bargain case. And Adler was right. The CIA might be behind Pantheon. Let's hope he isn't right about their mystery weapon. Maybe it's time you take me to this safe house of yours.
Got word from Case. Savati Dumas agreed to join us at the Rook, so we're 2 for 2. I'm returning from Munich with Felix Newman. Newman's cut from a different cloth, a brutal Stasi enforcer and a tech genius. He used to be a pain in the CIA's ass. That was before he gave the middle finger to the Stasi and defected to West Germany. Newman claims he's moved on from a life of violence and doesn't even arm himself anymore. But one way or the other, he couldn't turn down a chance to stick it to the CIA once again. He'll get that opportunity soon. He's gonna try to break into Langley's network and find out where they're holding Russell Adler. Still haven't warmed up to that salve yet, but hey, at least we didn't get killed in our sleep.
خب ये पार्ट सेकंड हमने काफ़ी हैं वीडियो नारुतो बहुत पुरानी भी बस हम अगर वीडियो में ताज़े में नहीं गएंगे देखिए वीडियो में लाइक करें कमेंट पे व्हाट्सएप चैनल सब्सक्राइब करें मेगा इंस्टाग्राम में हमारा से शेयर करें अल्लाह दाखिला में वीडियो तैगी करें या वहाँ से तैगी करें दार हो गए आइए हम फॉलो करें दस्ते पे कि वीडियो जल्दी में शेयर करें वो सही हुए तब वीडियो बाद फैलाएं